How to add your custom domain on Lovable AI. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can add your custom domain on Lovable AI. To do this is very simple, very simple. So kindly follow through. The first step is to log in into your Lovable AI account, and once you're logged in, open up the project that you would like to add a custom or to create a custom domain for. So once you're in the project page, you can see, depending on the prompt you entered in, you'll see details about the project, including your prompt by the left side of the screen. So, still on the left side of the screen, move to the top left side and click on the name of your project. By doing that, a drop-down menu will be displayed, showcasing options like go to dashboard, credit, etc. So click settings, all right, amongst other options. By selecting settings or the settings page, you'll be brought automatically to the project settings page. But that is now our focus, so move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar displaying options like project settings, domains, analytics, knowledge, and click domains. Once you've done that, on the domains page, options like domains, connected domains, add existing domains, and purchase new domains would be displayed. Select add existing domain to the right side and click connect domain. However, in order for you to be able to connect your custom domain to your Lovable account, you have to be using the pro version of Lovable. So if you're still using the free version like I am, you won't be able to do that. So the first step is to upgrade. All right, ensure you've upgraded. And if you've not upgraded, first of all, just click connect domain, then select the plan you can afford. Once you've upgraded successfully, you'll be directed to the page where you'll be asked to enter in the credentials of your domain. All right. Once it is verified, your custom domain will be added to your project. All right. And that is how to go about it. Okay. We must note also that Lovable gives you a domain name automatically after creating a project, and it's usually based on the title of the app or code that you want to create on your page. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.